Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining me today. My name is Sharina and today I have with me in this Beautylish box the very first surprise mystery bag from Wayne Goss. Wayne Goss is a UK based makeup artist who is also a YouTube creator who does very informative and helpful videos on makeup application. He shares tips to tackle makeup issues faced by the everyday woman. His makeup tips caters to women across all ages, and I find his tips especially useful for the matured woman too. For the surprise bags, it comes in two sizes. The larger one, which is the one I have here, called the Deluxe Surprise Bag, and it costs $155 for over $300 worth of products, and the regular surprise bag. These bags contain eyes, cheek, and lip products. The third surprise bag is the luxury lip surprise bag, which is $55 with over $100 worth of lip products. For this video, we'll do the unboxing together and I'll use the products to create a look. Of course, we'll add up the items in this box to find out the value and the savings we've made, after which I'll share my thoughts and review on the surprise bag. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. At first glance, we have quite a lot of pencils and some lip products. Okay, so this is a free gift from Peter Thomas Roth. It's an anti-aging cleansing gel. Just to put it aside now. For the essential lip pencil, we have the vintage pink. And we have the essential eye kohl pencil in the color Obsidian. Obsidian is a rich black with a matte finish. It goes on very smoothly. Does feel quite nice. We have another lip pencil in the color Light Nude. It's a little bit firmer, so I have broke the tip just to actually warm it up a little with my skin. The next essential eye kohl pencil we have is in the color Deep Amethyst. Yes, it's dark purplish color. Next, we have another lip pencil in the color Natural Berry. It's a pinker color. That looks quite nice as well. Let's see what we have here. The High Shine Gloss in the color Chrysanthemum. This looks pretty. I like the look of it. It does look nice. It feels like a thicker kind of gloss. And we have another high shine gloss, and this color is Hibiscus. Okay, comparing the two shades, this is Hibiscus and Chrysanthemum. Now to swatch on the Hibiscus. For this one, it's a lighter pink and it looks a little bit more metallic compared to the Chrysanthemum. This is the luxury cream lipstick in the color Carnation. So for the case, it's a simple black case and it's not magnetic, so it just has a catch to keep it in place, the cap, but it's quite firm. So it does look quite nice. It feels nice and creamy. It's a nice deeper pink shade. For this one, we have Magnolia. It's warmer compared to Carnation. So let's do a swatch on this as well. So that's how. I must say, so far I'm very pleased with the items in the box. I have a nice variety of items. This is exciting. We have the Weightless View blush palette, and this color is in Azalea. This was definitely one that I was looking to pick up, so I'm glad I got this in surprise bag. So, this is the brightest shade in his collection. It will be fun to try it out. You see how it looks. Let's do a bit of a swatch. I'll go in with the highlighter first. Wow, it looks very pretty. And it feels nice on the skin as well. It's a nice glow to it. Wow, it's really very pigmented. Let's try this. It feels really nice. I must say the colour, although it's pigmented, I feel that it can be blended out quite easily. So let's try it out later to see how it goes. This is the Radiance Boosting Face Palette, Bronze and Sculpt. The bronzer and the face sculpting. This feels really silky for the sculpting powder. Let's try it out. This is the bronzer and the sculpting powder. For the sculpting powder, it has a grey tinge in it, so that is to mimic the shadows, to give more definition to the face. So I'm not so sure whether this colour will work for me, perhaps so, but I'm excited to try it out. Okay, what do I have here? The Luxury Eye Palette in Imperial Topaz. This is the first palette that Wayne Goss came up with. So let's do some swatches. Starting from the left to right. This is the special shade called the Celestial shade. Wow, it does look very pretty. So these are the shades that I have in my surprise bag, and I must say I'm really pleasantly surprised. See you in a while. And these are nice everyday shades. For more precision, we use a smaller flat brush like this. For the pencil, I decided to use the shade Obsidian, as I feel that it goes better with this eye look compared to the deep Amethyst. What I like about the pencil is that it goes on easily and is easily to smudge out as well. To add depth, just add some black as well. Lightly pat it on, and this can be easily built up. So I'll just start with one side of my face to see the difference. So to deepen the socket line as well, to try with the sculpting powder. I'll try to give a little bit of cheekbones there while I'm at it. So I'm just pinching my brush together. Give it more of a sculpt. And also to use it underneath to give it a more contoured effect. And now for the outstanding blush called Vivid Azalea. I was really interested in trying this out, and I'm really happy to get it in my surprise bag. Wayne Goss did recommend starting with the highlighter and then layering the blush on top of it. It's just the highlighter. And now to put the blush. Start off with less. This is one tap. As we can see, the eye look is more of a neutral warm compared to this, which is a cooler look. But just to try on the blush in the surprise bag together. and see how it looks. I'm back with the mascara and the other side of the face done. Now to carry on with the lips. It does go on quite smoothly, so I just needed to have a little bit of warmth to it before application. This is Magnolia. This lipstick does feel quite creamy. This is Carnation. As for the lip gloss, perhaps I'll go with Chrysanthemum. There's a light minty smell to it, which I personally like. Okay, just to try, how about the other one as well? And to try on Hibiscus on the top lip. And what I noticed is that because the Hibiscus, this one here, has a cooler look, so it goes better with the blush compared to Chrysanthemum, which goes better with the eye look. It's leaning warmer compared to the cooler look of the Hibiscus. But I shall just mix it together. This is the finished look that I've come up with. So I must say I do quite like how it turned out. This is the first time I'm using the blush as well as the face palette. So it does give a very nice natural look and glow to the skin. And I do like the eye palette as well. So let's start with the eye palette. For the palette, it may be a little bit difficult to open. So what makes it easier is by pressing the base when we lift up the lid. And that makes it much easier. So it should get easier to open with some time as well. What I like about this palette is that it can also double up as a face palette. You have a nice black for lining the eyes or deepening the shadow, a beautiful celestial shade. Let me just do another swatch. And it feels nice and soft as well. And it gives a very nice shine to the eyes. I do appreciate the shades in this palette where it's very flattering to the eyes and it doesn't emphasize the texture that we have. What I like about this palette is the versatility of this palette. It's a very neutral, everyday friendly palette that is very suitable for the everyday woman across all ages. So this shade here can also be used as a highlighter if needed. How pretty it looks. And if we were to add on this reddish brown, it will warm up the look more compared to if we just use these two colors. It will keep it more neutral. For the blush, the color is really bright and it does work across all skin tones. If someone with a lighter complexion were to use this, we just have to go in with a lighter hand. And Wayne Goss did recommend using the highlighter first before going in with the blush to make the color seem more skin light, like a glow that comes from within. And for the face palette, this is the first time I'm using his face palette, and I must say I really do like the color and the effect that it gives to the complexion. It looks natural and yet there's definition as well. For the eye pencils, these are definitely items that I enjoy. It is so easy to line my eyes and then to smoke it out with a brush after that. Even for my hooded eyes, I find it easy to create a nice wing by first lining my lash line and using a fine angled brush. This is from Sigma, the EO6, to just extend the line. For the lip pencils, I like the variety of colors that's in the box, and the color that matches my lips the most is Natural Berry. The lip liners are of a more waxy texture, and this gives more control in lining the lip line, and a waxy lip pencil lasts longer than a creamy lip pencil which wears down faster. For the lipsticks, I do quite like the light fragrance that it has. The colors are nice, sweet colors, but the star of the lip products to me are the lip gloss, because after using the lip gloss, I do like the feel of the lip gloss. And together with the lipstick, the combination is really quite pretty. What do I think about Wayne Goss Deluxe Surprise Bag? I find this a very thoughtful and well put together bag where there is a nice selection of items across different launches. If you already have some items in your collection, the wide variety can help to expand on what you have. Or if you're new to Wayne's makeup, this is a fantastic way to try out his products at a really good price. It would also make a great Christmas gift where we can divide up the items as individual gifts for our loved ones. Purchasing a mystery bag is a bit of a gamble, where we can get unpopular items that the company is trying to clear, and I'm very happy to agree that this deluxe surprise bag is indeed a lovely surprise. and it makes me want to check out the other bags available as well. And here's a calculation of the value of the items in the box compared to the price of the box. And if you're wondering whether to pick up this bag or not, I would say it's definitely a good buy to look into. Do share this video if you know of someone who might find this video useful. Thank you for taking the time to join me today, and if you're not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing if you'd like to join me for future videos. Do feel free to share your thoughts if you're thinking of picking up the surprise bags, or if you've already done so and if you're happy with the products that you have. I look forward to seeing you again on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye!